In this video, I want to show you how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to system.io. So this is really easy. You just have to follow my steps and you will learn how you can do it. So firstly, you want to go to your main dashboard in GoDaddy. If you can't find it, you just want to click on your profile, then My Products. And from here, you want to go to Domain. And firstly, we are going to copy our domain from GoDaddy. Then we can go to system.io. And we want to hover a mouse on this profile, then settings. And here you should see custom domains on the left side. It's under affiliate program. So click on it. In order to add your custom domain, you just want to click on this add domain button. And firstly, before pasting domain, just type www. And then paste your domain. So like this, then click save. And now it's going to show us that the domain has been successfully created. And we just have to configure our DNS records in our GoDaddy provider. Firstly, we are going to add this first CNAME record. Both records are CNAME, so the CNAME is type of the record. Then this is the value, and this is name. So firstly, I will copy this first value of the record, first one. And name, you don't want to copy the whole name. You just want to type this www. So if I open GoDaddy, you want to find DNS settings, then DNS records, and you want to add new record. So type is CNAME, and name you just want to type www like this and paste the value. Then click save. Your DNS record has been updated successfully, so we have the first record. We can go to second one. So the second one is also CNAME and the value. And the name, you just want to copy this first part, everything before this small dot. So you want to copy only this. Copy it, click on add new record, choose CNAME as type and paste it in the name. Like this. And then you just want to copy this value, paste it in value. Click save. And now we should have both records added. So you can see them over here. And you want to go back to system.io. And you should see pending validation. So this means it's currently propagating. So it's checking if you added those DNS records. And this can take up to 48 hours to propagate. But in most cases, it's going to take within 1 hour. So you can come like say 15 minutes later and you can refresh the page and you should see check mark and ready to use when it's done, and then you can use your domain. So this is how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to system.io. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.